Welcome to an ongoing sewing report series to sew McCall's M6044 men's shirt pattern. In this episode, we're focusing on the shirt pocket for view B. You'll find links to my favorite garment sewing supplies below. To add a personalized touch, I chose to monogram the fabric before cutting out the pattern piece. To learn more, be sure to watch my other videos all about machine embroidery on the Brother PE800. Now the fabric is ready to be fussy cut. Since the pattern tissue is see-through, this is pretty easy to do. Just fold your piece in half lengthwise and line up its center with the center of the monogram. Because this fabric frays a lot, I'm marking the notches and other placements on the pattern with a water-soluble pen. These are my budget pattern weights, metal washers from Home Depot. And here's a trick when working with straight lines and angles. Mark the edges and corners and then use a rotary cutter and ruler to ensure you've got perfect edges. For a neater finish and to prevent the fabric from fraying, I'm using the Serger to finish the raw edges of the fabric. If you're new to Sergers, don't worry, I've got a few help videos on the Brother 1034D. Now the top of the pocket calls in the instructions to fold over the edge, which is made easier with the Clover hot roller and Elmer's washable school glue in a fine tip bottle to keep it all in place. Then fold the edge over again to the line transferred from the pattern and pin right sides together. You'll sew a standard 5/8 inch seam allowance just over the folded portion. Then flip that part right side out like I'm doing here. Face down, fold in the remaining edges to the wrong side, also with the 5/8 inch seam allowance, and then press. Edge stitch the inside fold of the pocket top. Alright, we're busting out that glue bottle again, applying to the side and bottom edges of the pocket. There are 2 dotted placement marks on the pattern and you'll want to line those up with the top corners on the pocket. Press with a dry iron to keep that pocket from budging. Just need to stitch that pocket down permanently. Be sure to back stitch at the beginning and end for a more stable pocket. And voila, you're done! Thanks for watching and check back for more videos on sewing a collared shirt. I'm Jennifer Moore and I'll see you again next time.